Ah, yeah, drop the beats. In the planet of Earth, I am the most famous person of the world. Everybody knows who I am, even the people who don't know who I am. Because I am very super famous, super famous, super famous, very super famous. A lot of people know I exist. I am very super famous, super famous, super famous, very super famous. You are not, so you are shit. All around the world, people know who I am. Even in the Chinese countries like Japan, north, south, east, west to east. I make their panties wet like basements in New Orleans. The French language trolls say, "Mon moitié génie."
Time to make a Molt Liquor video. Internet superstar, #1 provider of malt liquor entertainment on the internet. Wolf of fucking Wall Street. Steel Worldwide, back with another one. King Cobra, premium malt liquor. It's a snowstorm. Time to get shit-faced again. My malt liquor. Cap in pocket. Shout out to Earl Portland. The man's a fucking genius. Malt liquor. And Dwarf 68's a cunt. Fuck you, Dwarf. Canadian Crow Corn. Craft beer. Crappy Cook. Casio keyboard. Cosmo cunt. Dwarf 68. Fuck you, Dwarf. Stay fucking dead. Malt liquor. I don't know what type of fucking bird that is, but it better shut the fuck up. Had it there for a second. Malt liquor. Shout out to everybody watching my malt liquor videos. Shout out to all the new subscribers that have gotten recently. Now over 2,000. About 100 new viewers that have subscribed to my YouTube channel within the last month. Made the right decision, folks. Clicking on the subscribe button to my fucking YouTube channel. Best fucking channel on the fucking net. Follow the fucking blueprint. Shout out to Falstaff out there in Singapore. Special go fucking kill yourself. Shout out to another piece of fucking shit from Florida. Dirt nap court killer. Good God. Motherfucker, kill yourself. For the record, I was the first one to say for him to fucking kill himself several months ago. Just like my fellow genius, E. Portland, aka Biker Messenger 7. We have great judgment of character. Malt liquor. Looking to swell on this King Cobra premium malt liquor video. Wait for it. Wait for it.
That's the clique that I'm stuck with. NPR, that's the niggas that I fuck with. Notorious for getting money, addicted to riches. You cross the boss, your forehead gon' need stitches. Sticking to the G code, don't fuck with stitches. Another verse 48 on your telling bitches. Keep a heater on me like it match with my bitch. I shoot first questions asked after you get hit. I'm on my G shit, doesn't steal in the streets. I'm good in every hood, nigga, you can find me. With about 100 hoes right behind me. I'm the boss, tell the majors they can't sign me. Your bitch get up in your car and rewind me. Say she love that boy Tucker, she mine, G. My mind fucked up, all I think about is money. When I smell them hundreds, it make a nigga hungry. Gotta get it, I can't let it pass. Why you pussies going broke, sitting on your ass? Stay in mash mode, it's the hog in my blood. I want it all, fuck showing y'all pussies love.